Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, well not today, but like yesterday, it snowed so much. It's like a blizzard. Wait, hold on, I'll show you how deep the snow really is. And this is very rare. The last time it happened was in 2014. This is a deep part. And yeah, in Ohio, it snowed this hard. Everywhere there's snow, like, and it's very deep too. Look at how deep that is. Whoops, I dropped my phone. If I flipped the camera, it'd be covered in snow. The other camera would be covered in snow. But there's huge chunks of snow and ice. And there's also very big icicles that I'll also go and show you. Because, I mean, we've had big icicles, but this is probably the biggest we've gotten them all year. This is like a rock though. It's so hard. But it's not a rock. Oh my gosh. I just gotta knock down other pieces of ice. I'm trying to knock them down for you because sometimes it can get a little funny. Oh, what? So this is kind of just that. Well, I got that one. I only chipped it a little bit though. This part is probably another really deep part. Bro, it goes up almost all the way to my knees. That's crazy. Look, there's even icicles right here. Icicles. Spikesicles. And there is also a lot of snow everywhere. Like one night, literally there was like just normal amount of Ohio snow. When did I get this penny? But whatever. I literally just noticed it was in my pocket. Oh my god. Oh, it broke. Well, there was a huge chunk of snow. And I was about to grab the whole thing, then it just broke in half. This is crazy. Like, my hand is cold. Look. It's a huge chunk. These are some huge chunks of snow right now. So my dad can come home and you'll see him like any minute, but like he can come back from work like at any minute. He usually comes home when I finish my school, and I finished school. That's why I'm making a YouTube video. And there might be a double upload. I know I do double uploads like all the time, but yeah, and I would live stream for you guys if I could, but I can't. That's another reason why most of my videos are like, my longest videos are like 2 to 15 minutes long, or yeah. So that's why I'm outside. Like I haven't been outside for a good reason in like a while. It's pretty cold too. I have no gloves. See how red my hands are right now. Well, bro, I love these huge chunks of snow. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that, that's gross. Also, if you're wondering why this door is covered in so much mud, it's because Montclair scratches at that door a lot, and so her hands get muddy and stuff, but we also got a new Roomba. but I'm not allowed to show it because, like, my dad says he doesn't want me to show a lot of the upstairs, which is the upstairs for my room. My room's in the basement. And basically, this is probably the deepest part of the snow. See, look at how far down it goes. It goes up to there on my legs, and I just think that's crazy for Ohio weather. Last time, I think I already said this, but last time this happened was in 2014. Yeah. I don't even think the world looked like it does now. Like, I think there was, like, something going on with Sudan. It still is, I think, but something was going on with Sudan when I was born. Like, the world wasn't always the same. Of course. I don't even know who watches my videos, but is there a reason I need to know? Probably not. Yeah. Look at that ice, though. If you saw that ice, like, this could have some possibly cool videos coming out soon. Oh, it just snowed. It was like, I'm gonna see if I can kick. That's satisfying. Also, when I tried to turn on the hose, guess what happened? Nothing. So I think the hose... Yeah, I think the hose is frozen. Because it's so cold. But it's really cold and my fingers hurt really bad right now. My mom might come and like, hey, what are you doing? But I already told her, so she won't. Unless I'm out here for a little bit too long. Look. Whoa! I wish it would do like a roof avalanche or something. I love those. They're really satisfying, but snow overall is pretty satisfying. Just kick it. You can make a bunch of stuff out of snow. Like, you can make snowmen. You can basically make a bunch of stuff out of snow, but just, whew. Sorry about that. I'm trying to keep my fingers warm because I need to switch hands. 360 view of the snow. 360 view. Like, it's so deep. Like, this is probably the deepest we've ever had snow. Like, where we live now. Last time this happened was my first ever house I lived in, probably. And I probably lived in when I was 4. I think I went to preschool, and I think I lived in like a trailer. And then we bought an actual house and stuff. I don't know. It was an actual house, but I don't know. My mom and dad call it trailer, and so I don't know. But I might end it here. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Dun